upon a time there lived a young girl called Cinderella. Cinderella's mother had died, and so her father had married another woman who had two daughters. One day, Cinderella's father went to work and never returned. Cinderella was left at the mercy of her stepmother and two stepsisters who made her do all the work of the house. "Cinderella, it's morning already. Where is our breakfast?" Just a moment, stepmother. I am just bringing it out." As soon as Cinderella had laid the breakfast, the stepmother and stepsister started eating it. Cinderella served her own plate too, and was about to eat when her stepsister pushed her own plate away. "Yuck, I hacked it." "Yes, now that you mention it. It's really is horrible. Mother, do something." "Cinderella, are you trying to kill us? What kind of food is this?" "But stepmother, I have made it the way I always make it." "How dare you argue with me? Go and make new breakfast for us. Don't you dare do anything else till we have had our breakfast." And this is what went on in their house every day. The stepmother and stepsisters troubled Cinderella without any reason. But Cinderella loved them still and never ever complained. One day, an announcement was made in the village. "Let everybody know there will be a royal ball at the palace tomorrow night, and the king's son, Prince Charming, will marry a maiden from amongst the guests. Everybody from the village is invited." The whole village was excited. Even Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters couldn't stop talking about it in the house. And that's how Cinderella found out about the ball. "The royal ball, Prince Charming! The whole village is invited. I will finish my work quickly so we can all go together. Won't it be just wonderful?" "You? Who said anything about you going?" "You will stay here and polish our shoes till you can see your face in them." And so, with a heavy heart, Cinderella saw her stepmother and stepsisters dress up and left for the royal ball the next day. Once they had left, she cried bitterly. Suddenly, her room lit up, and Cinderella saw the most beautiful fairy she could imagine. She held in her hand a delicate wand. "Who are you?" "Get up, child. I'm your fairy godmother. her to get you to the royal ball. Really? I never knew I had a very good mother. But how will I get to the ball? I don't have anything to wear. You don't worry about that, my child. And so, in just a few minutes, Cinderella was ready for the royal ball.